Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable noise cancellation on your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. We have 3 different methods. First, on your iOS device, connect your AirPods, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, select the information icon for your AirPods. When you put both AirPods in your ears, you can toggle noise cancellation using the touch control panel. Swipe to noise cancellation or turn it off. The second way is using the touch control panel on the AirPods themselves. Make sure you have noise control set up for the left or right AirPod. For example, on the left, go to Noise Control and select all 3 functions. Click and hold the touch control panel on the stem to switch between transparency, off, and noise cancellation modes. The third method is through accessibility settings. Go to Accessibility and enable noise cancellation with one AirPod. This allows you to activate noise cancellation without putting the second AirPod in your ear. That's the 3 methods to enable noise cancellation on your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. If you found this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you're looking for other tutorials, just check out our channel.